video, we are going to be doing a Ssense haul. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that I picked up from the Ssense Summer Sale, and share with you guys, you know, what is currently on sale right now, so you guys can go take advantage of these luxury items for a lot less money. So if this is your first time coming across my face, welcome, new friend. I am Tasha Jadé, the owner of The Styling Tea, a channel that's dedicated to all things luxury and affordable fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that is the type of content that you do enjoy watching, go ahead and think about hitting that subscribe button right down there below. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time a new video drops right here on the Styling Tea channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these items. Okay, so let's start off by saying that Ssense is currently having I think it's up to about a 60% off of their designer item sale. So this is a time to shop if you're looking to save your coins on designer goods, because a lot of these brands are trying to get rid of all of their inventory when it comes to stuff that is for the summer, so they can start bringing in new stuff for the fall season. So let's start off with the first item that I purchased, which is the outfit that I'm wearing right now. And I'm going to show you guys a full look of this over in a separate screen so you can see the look, because it's so cute and I'm so happy to be wearing it. So the outfit I'm wearing right now is from Ssense, and it is a midi, well, it's a maxi on me, but it's technically more of a midi bodycon skirt. It is double lined and the fabric quality is top notch. So this one, I think, was actually part of their rugged collection that they had put out a couple of months ago, and it was sold out on the website, but Ssense still has some items that are still available. So I highly recommend, if you're looking for Ssense items and that are currently sold out on the website, go check Ssense, because they seem to carry some of these items that are really, really hard to find. So I got the skirt in a kind of like a nudie color, and I love it because it gives me exactly what it is that I wanted in terms of a flesh tone look. And then I paired it with this muscle crop tee. So on me, it's not quite as cropped, but if you are taller, it is going to definitely be midriff showing. I'm 5'3", so, and plus I have a shorter torso, so everything is definitely more compact for me. But it's perfect because I didn't want to show my midriff. Okay, so let's get into the next item that I purchased. I actually ended up getting 2 of items from this brand just because I love their stuff and I'm absolutely obsessed. But the first thing I purchased were a pair of earrings from the brand Jacquemus, or should I go Jacquemus? Okay, so let's open up these earrings because they're so cute. So these are the Jacquemus gold, or not gold, but the silver hoops that I purchased, and they also say Jacquemus on the inside of this. So it comes in both a circular one, and then also you get a square version. So I kind of love the asymmetrical design with these. Like, I love the fact that they're not both exactly the same. Like, you get like a circular and then the square together. So if I put my hair up, like, this looks so good on, right? Doesn't that look really cute? Hold on, I have this on the wrong way. Y'all, what is wrong with me today? Hold on, let's try this one more time. Okay, so this is what they look like. I'm not gonna put them on just yet, just because it's gonna take a minute. But I just wanna show you guys what these actually look like. And they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to wear these. Okay, so now let's get into the other pair of earrings. Okay, before I actually show you these earrings, this is one of the things that I really love about Jacquemus, is that every pair of their earrings comes with a nice dust bag. So this is great, like, if you're traveling and you want to keep your jewelry nice and safe and protected. These bags are large enough. They're large enough, honestly, like, you can put more than one pair of earrings. Like, I have so many of these in my house, and like, I actually even use these to protect sunglasses, or like to load up a bunch of different jewelry pieces together, just to consolidate and keep my luggage a little bit, give more room to it. But these earrings I also have not taken out of the package, just because I wanted to show them with you guys first before I even actually tried them on. But when I first saw these earrings, I was absolutely obsessed, because I had been looking for a pair of earrings. So, okay, I got these ones specifically because the Y Project came out with a version of these earrings a couple of years ago, and I have been obsessed with them. I've been trying to find them forever, and I can't. And then I came across these earrings right here from Jacquemus, and they gave me everything of what it is that I'm looking for in terms of this style. Y'all, look at this. This is so artistic. Like, the look of this is definitely a showstopper, like a conversation piece earring. This is not just one, they do come in two. I just took out one for the packaging to show you guys. So on the back, it has a circular back closure. It's a little bit thicker, which is great, so it makes it easy to just slide on and take back off. I always hate when earrings come with like those really tiny little back closures, because they can be a little harder to put on, especially if you have nails. So I love these ones. Like, let's just hold these up by my ear. Like, this is so cute, right? I'm so excited to wear these. And these are great just because I can wear them with my hair up. I can dress them up, I can dress them down, but like, I could literally, like, I don't even have to do too much with my outfit, because this is going to make my outfit really stand out no matter what it is. Okay, so now let's get into the best item ever. This is another Jacquemus piece, but I saved the best for last. But, okay, y'all. Yes, it is a bag. And it is a large one. But this is a good bag. Okay, so I have been looking for this. I've been looking online for this bag, and I've been seeing it. It's still available, the Jacquemus. But I have been looking for this bag for a while, and I just wasn't liking the price. But let's just get into her. Are you gagging? Oh my God, this bag is stunning. This bag is everything for me with a summer vacation style. Like, just look at the detail, like look at the straw detailing on this. This is such an art piece. Like, I'm so obsessed with this bag. Like, I want to wear it, but then I kind of also don't want to wear it too much, because I want to protect the look of the bag and make sure that it stays like this forever, because you can't just wash this, you know what I mean? Like, how do you wash this? Okay, so this bag comes in two different colors. It comes in a brown color, and it also comes in an off-white color. I chose to get to the brown because obviously brown is definitely a lot more durable. You don't have to worry about the straps getting dirty. The straps do come with 100% leather. It is very soft and supple leather, so it definitely, like, they definitely put some effort into this. They didn't cheapen on the fabric, which is fantastic. And then the material on the rest of the bag, of course, is more like a raffia style straw. But look on the inside of the bag. Like, that has just so much room that you can add some of your beach items in there. I probably wouldn't add like a towel or anything, just because it's gonna make this bag a little heavier. If you wanted to, you could add a towel in here, and, like, you know, some sunglasses, like a speaker, you know, if you're going to the beach, some sandals. Like, you could add the things that you actually need, like the essentials, like maybe even like a mini wine bottle you could add in here as well too. You know what you could add. So what I also love about this one is that it does come with two large straps. So if you don't want to carry it from the top handles, you can also carry this over your shoulder. You could do it as a crossbody, and you just can keep your arms free. So, like, if you're on vacation somewhere and you're just kind of tired, you know, just walking for so long, like, you have options, which is fantastic. What I will say, though, is that the straps are not removable, so, which is fine in all honesty. I kind of like the fact that they just hang down, because it just kind of gives it like a nice, like, look to it. Like, I just love it. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you've made it to the end of the video, thank you, friend. Make sure that you hit that like button. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed to the channel, to go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of the community, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time a new video drops right here on the channel. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Make sure you check out the description box to get access to all of the items that were featured in today's video and save some money during this summer sale. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.